Hello guys, just arrived from school. Then I got the package from Ian again, the one who sent me Converse shoes. He's been sending me lots of Converse shoes lately, and I still have coming Nike Air Max today. Oh yeah, kind of Nike. So this one, I want you to have this one. Thank you so much, Ian, for always spoiling and illusion. Even though I'm about to sleep, but then I forgot that I have the parcel. The parcel just arrived right away. So I have this. Look, it's so nice. This one is too much for the night. Nice. Wow, I love the quality of the clothes. Look, then nice kayo. Already.
No, ipadala mo ka.
The quality of clothes is so nice. Okay, basta Shein. Shein comes very quick rather than Fashion Nova. I hate Fashion Nova. So this is the pants. The parcel arrived not less than 1 week. So got the shoe, got the pants. There you go.
Tugay nung paabot mo yun. Kanina nung paabot mo.
Ganyan ako kauli yung di. Kibaw pa lang ka di. Got it. Thank you so much, Ryan. Get the pants, the other pants. I'm going to partner this with the Converse shoes. And this one. Thank you so much, Ryan. Wait, sagadi. Thank you so much, Ryan, for always spoiling me. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's a tattered jeans. Look at the details. So it's a tattered one. Yeah, it definitely fit my size. This is really my size. Thank you so much, Ian. I got it.